Mortgage refinance demand increased 20% last week as rates continue to fall, currently at two-year lows. But according to a local certified financial planner, there are some questions when it comes to refinancing your mortgage, especially if you locked in a mortgage rate in the last few years between 3 and 5%.
It is 1.5% roughly from the peak that we were at just a year or so ago to where we are today. And for those who call it that peak, it is time to refi. 1.5 makes a difference. I think if they wait, they'll do better, but it's already going to save them $5,000 to $6,000 a year. For that, it's worth $3,000 to refi.
That was Bill Dendy there. He said 3 out of 4 borrowers are already locked into a rate that's lower than what we're seeing right now. So that's important to remember. He also says make sure it's cost effective. Ask a professional how much the fees are going to be. And sometimes if those are rolled into the new mortgage, it could cost you more in the long run. Consider your credit score. That may decide how good of a rate that you're actually going to get. And in most cases, waiting is better. Consumers will want to see rates fall by 1.5 or 2% before you really start seeing that change on your bottom line. He said also important to remember here, rates probably won't make their biggest moves until more data comes out about the economy next week.